Imagine life in the universe. Life that looks nothing like us. No animals. No plants. Something we can't even imagine. The search for alien life is not just science fiction. It even has its own name. Xenobiology, the science of life that may not even exist yet. As we continue to discover an increasing number of potentially habitable planets, and as our telescopes reach deeper into the cosmos, one haunting question emerges. What does it truly mean to be alive? In this video, we'll explore that question, standing right on the edge between science and imagination, and maybe, just maybe, catch a glimpse of a universe that's alive in ways we can hardly begin to picture. For centuries, we've been fascinated by the idea of alien life. Science fiction has filled our imaginations with images: little green men, towering insect-like creatures, glowing energy beings. But if we set fiction aside for a moment, what might alien life actually look like? There's no definite answer, but by blending what we know from biology, chemistry, and astrophysics, we can make some pretty compelling guesses. Because life doesn't just pop out of nowhere. It's shaped by its environment, by evolution, and by the very chemistry it's built from. Here on Earth, life is carbon-based. That's because carbon is incredibly versatile. It can form strong, stable bonds with a wide range of elements. It builds proteins, DNA, entire cells. Water, too, plays a key role. It's the universal solvent that makes chemical reactions possible. But could alien life be built on something entirely different? Some scientists think silicon-based life is a possibility. Silicon has similar bonding properties to carbon. But there's a catch. Silicon compounds are less stable, especially in water. Still, on a planet where methane flows instead of water, maybe a completely different chemistry could give rise to life. Life that breathes methane and swims in lakes of liquid gas. And what if life didn't need molecules at all? Could it exist as plasma-based entities, electromagnetic beings, or even as crystalline intelligences, pulsing with consciousness through shifting lattices of mineral? These ideas sound fantastical, but they're grounded in real physics and chemistry. If life exists beyond Earth, its shape and structure would be tailored to its home world. On a low-gravity planet, creatures might be tall and airy, floating gently through the sky. Imagine something like a drifting jellyfish, or a flexible tree that sways with the breeze. High-gravity worlds, on the other hand, would favor dense, compact forms. Muscular, sturdy beings built to resist the pull of their planet. Short, heavy, tough. And gravity is just the beginning. Atmosphere, temperature, light levels, all of these shape how life evolves. A planet rich in oxygen might support fast-moving, high-energy creatures. But in a world with little oxygen, or a toxic atmosphere, life would need to adapt. Maybe it breathes through its skin. Maybe it filters gas with internal membranes. Maybe it photosynthesizes energy directly from light. On a planet bathed in constant sunlight, life might evolve with reflective skin, multiple eyelids, or pupils that shrink to a pinhole. In darkness, vision might be useless, and other senses would take over. Infrared detection, echolocation, electric field sensitivity, like sharks or bats. Limbs would vary too. In alien oceans or methane lakes, tentacles and fins might dominate. On land, some beings might crawl, walk, or even glide. Some could be radially symmetrical, like starfish. Others might defy symmetry altogether. And if intelligence evolves, It's tempting to imagine something humanoid: 2 legs, 2 arms, 2 eyes. But there's no reason intelligence has to look like us. What matters is its interaction with the world. That could mean grasping tools with hands, claws, tentacles, or something stranger. It could mean forming societies, building technology, passing on knowledge. Maybe they speak in sound, or color, or patterns of magnetic fields. Some alien minds might emerge from hives, a single group acting as one mind. Others might be cybernetic hybrids, part machine, part flesh. Or maybe they've left biology behind entirely, living as pure software in a quantum network. What's possible is limited only by physics and our own imagination. When we look at Earth's own creatures, we don't need to imagine aliens. Some of them already look like they're from another world. Take the Pycnogonida, the sea spider. It's mostly legs. Its organs are stretched into its limbs. It walks across the seafloor like a delicate skeleton drone. Or the flatworm, a rippling sheet of life with no circulatory system, no body cavity. The salp drifts through the ocean like a transparent barrel. It pulses gently as it filters plankton, like a spaceship made of jelly. And the siphonophore? It's not even a single creature, but a colony of many. Each part specializes. One part moves, one part eats, one part reproduces. Together, they form a glowing, coordinated superorganism that can stretch over 40 meters. The cystosoma, a ghost-like amphipod, is nearly invisible. Its body is covered in microscopic spheres that bend light around it. A natural stealth cloak. And then there's Phronema sedentaria, a tiny crustacean that invades other gelatinous organisms, hollows them out, and pilots them like biological submarines. Yes, this little monster inspired the Alien Queen in the movie Alien. But the alien vibe isn't limited to the ocean. Look at a grasshopper up close. Armor plating, compound eyes, antennae that smell, legs that hear. It's an entire logic of perception completely unlike our own. Jellyfish, some of the oldest animals on Earth, drift with mesmerizing simplicity. No brain, no heart, yet some glow with light. Others can live forever. And the feather star? It looks like a plant, but it's an animal, waving its arms in slow motion, swimming with pulsing elegance. These creatures are real. They live among us. They show us how strange life can be, right here on Earth. So just imagine what evolution might create under alien skies. The aliens we invent often say more about us than about the universe. In the movie Alien, the creature is the ultimate nightmare. A perfect killing machine, biomechanical and merciless. It's not just a monster. It's survival, stripped of emotion or empathy.
Crabs can eat through the hull.
Independence Day gives us classic invaders. Technologically advanced, hive-minded, overwhelming. Their design taps into Cold War-era fears of conformity and loss of individuality. The Thing brings fear closer to home, a shapeshifter that could be anyone. The real terror is paranoia. Who's still human? Then there's Mars Attacks, a parody where aliens are cartoonishly cruel, mocking the very idea of invasion stories. In contrast, Arrival imagines something truly alien. 7-limbed haptopods that perceive time non-linearly. Their circular language rewires how we think. Here, the focus isn't war, it's communication. District 9 flips the trope again. Aliens as oppressed refugees. Segregated, feared, exploited. The film turns the alien into a symbol of our own injustices. And of course, E.T. Not a monster, not an invader. Just a curious, gentle being, longing for home. A reflection of childhood wonder and the loneliness that comes with growing up. We haven't found alien life yet, but with billions of stars, countless planets, and endless diversity, it seems unlikely that we're alone. Maybe life exists beneath Europa's icy crust, or in Titan's methane lakes. Maybe it's light years away, or hiding in forms we don't yet recognize. If we do find it, it will challenge everything we think we know. About biology, about intelligence, about life itself. It will force us to ask deeper questions. Are we special? Or just one example of what the universe can do? Maybe the cosmos teems with life. Not life as we know it, but life that sees, feels, and thinks in ways we can't yet imagine. And maybe that's the real gift of xenobiology. Not just to ask what's out there, but to rethink what's possible here. To expand our imagination, to humble our assumptions, and to remind us that we are part of a universe far stranger and more beautiful than we ever dreamed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you next time!